Hey, this is Mead. Welcome to the channel. We are going to go more in depth with relaxation in your drawing technique. So we've talked about what relaxation does to your drawings and what tension does to your drawings, but we haven't talked really about what to do about it. And that's what we're going to do in this video. We're basically going to bring relaxation into our most basic warm-up exercises and practice it there. The idea is that eventually, if you practice relaxation in your warm-ups, that will make its way into your work.
The idea here is that we're going to use the most basic fundamental warm-up exercises that we can possibly think of to make this really easy. Turn your brain off and just do the work of focusing on the physical sensation of drawing, getting in tune with your hand, and actively trying to relax every time you pick up the pencil and stay relaxed all the way through making your marks. So if you want to know more about these exercises themselves, go ahead and take a look at the warm-up exercise video series. There's plenty of these to do, and they're all good for varying purposes. And here I'm just kind of working through several of them, showing you some options of what you can do and how you might try to stay relaxed as you go through them. And the basic idea is that the movement gets translated out of your small movements in the fingers, uses bigger muscles, more energy, and your hand stays relaxed while doing it. You got several grip options, so don't worry too much about that. We can do another video about how to hold the pencil itself for more relaxation. The main thing is that right now you just do something really simple to make marks and hold your focus on the physicality of drawing and not the technicality of what you're doing. That's really difficult to do, actually, to become more physically aware. Don't worry about the result of these. It's just warm-ups. You're not trying to make anything look particularly cool. So go ahead and focus on what's important, and that's staying relaxed.
Thanks for watching this video. If you've watched to the end, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like it, share the video around. I do appreciate your time and your energy. If you have stuff to show me, go ahead and put that in the comments, send me an email, link to your work. I'd like to see what you're making, and watch out for more videos coming soon.